Alright, that one's live, and it's 1 October 2019. Okay, here it is on that phone and on that camera there, and let me just get to it here. Alright, so put this phone in your pocket. Let me angle this one down here to the, oops, let me angle this, well that's already good positioning. This one here, I just need to put it to the floor. Alright, so that's pretty close, I can see that one. Great, so this is what I'm expecting to see in that box there, so let me just put it here, okay. Let me just get to it, alright, so, oh gosh, don't cramp now. Right. So I already took pictures of this a day or two ago, so let me go ahead and just look right through that one and get into here. And this one supposed to get here Monday, and it got here over the weekend. Alright, so anyway, and the other one got here, the big one here got here really fast, and so that's all I know like that. And here we go. It's nicely packaged. Alright, I got this because, well, I like this radio because this has a very good sound to it. Oh, look at that. I can salvage that box, but I just want to show this to you, to those on there. Looks like that. And then you can read that briefly. And here's the white side. There's the white side. And I'll take better pictures of this as I go along, but this has got a very good sound to it. I had to ask the person to take it out of the box and unpackage it and all that, but to let me see just how good it is. And wow, this comes with all the original papers and such. Even comes with the original sticker. So looks like that. Okay, all the top controls and such, and this doesn't have line in or anything, but this does have a very good sound to it. Let's see here. So, this is one of the ones that has the cord in the back of it, so you can't lose the cord. All right, so let's just plug this in. All right, there we go. It takes 6 D batteries in the back there. Okay, so it's somewhat of a powerful unit, and there's no, okay, so it's on FM. All right, so
B-A-N-A-N-A-S, Jack FM. Josie's on a vacation far away. Foreign
so that's off for the radio. So let's take a tape that I brought here, which is nothing special. So eject. Let's make sure it will. And does that. This probably needs the recording bar to be cleaned. That's just, you know, hadn't been played in a long time. Okay, so it just needs to have the recording bar cleaned, and that's all that's wrong with this one here. Okay, so we unplug this, alright, and just put all this minutia of stuff over here, out of the way. Okay, great. So now this, and then here's the battery cover for that. Well, we'll try not to remember that's gone. So now here's the, what is this? Some other big thing. Okay, so see here. So I've already taken pictures of this. So this is a really big thing here. Alright, so yeah. There we go. I know what's in here. This should be the remotes for the radio, because this one takes remotes, and maybe so there's that. So yes, we've got two remotes. Two remotes came with this. That's why I bought it, because there's other ones out there, and then of course this. Oh boy, I hope this is the right power cord for this thing. Because this is a Sony, and it's I had one of these a long time ago, and sold it, and I've only recently gotten this one because, well, I lost my, there we go, because I want to play my CDs now, and I don't have, but all I have is a Kaboom to play my CDs in, and that's just for where I'm trying to play these a bit too big to be playing them. So I wanted to get something a little bit smaller, and this one here seemed to fit the bill. Now I know what this sounds like. It's not the most powerful thing, but again, that's not why I bought it. I bought it because this only runs on 6D batteries. It doesn't need 10 or 12 or, you know, like that. It's only, you know, it's not a humongous thing, but there we go. Okay. Fabulous. That over here. Okay, so this is one of these. It's got some minute scratches on, who cares? It's got the complete antenna, that's nice. 60 batteries go in the back here. Where's the power cord go? Oh, it does take a, okay, so it takes a, it does take this happy little funny looking cord here. Alright, so let's get this out of the way. Okay. I'll probably reuse that box because it's the right size box. Oh my gosh, alright, so this handle folds into the back like that, but let's see here, so right there. So when we turn the power on, which is one of these buttons, there we got that nice blue light again. I really want to just play let's see here, a CD, so let's see here. Get a CD, put that in there, hit play, and it's counting up seconds and such. There we go, we got tunes. So. Hit stop on that. Let's hit one of these is going to be the eject button, hopefully. There we go, eject. Give me a cassette. Throw that in here. Hit play. And do we have to put it on, we have to change the source? Let's see here, source, mega bass. Okay, here we go, tape. Uh-oh, that's not good. Let's see here, let's eject. Does it play? Oh, it's bad sound. So, well, they don't tell you that when you're trying to play a tape, so it probably has a, okay, well, let's see here, so that's not working. So there we go. Now it's working. And that side's working. Okay, and so should get some tunes. Okay, so that works too. So that's the whole deal there. So, alright, so now I could sit here and play the radio, but I'm not interested in that. I'll just set this up over here. And then lastly, let me check the time on this camera here. 10 minutes. Actually 11. I don't know if I have enough time. I really do want to put it in one. There's one of those things. That's a, yeah, so, okay. So here's a, so, alright, so let's get into this one here. This one is a, I'm going to do this quickly because that camera there, which is a better camera, but it's so old that it doesn't, the file changes at 16 minutes and 23 seconds, so it changes into 2 files, and I don't know how to do video editing, so I don't. Alright, so, and, so this is very innovative. I like this packaging, the way it looks like. Okay, that's interesting. But it's in saran wrap. Well, there it is. It's in saran wrap. We'll be here all day. And here's the power cord. Could have put that in the battery compartment, but they don't know. Alright, so yeah, just put this. Well, there it is. It's all nice and pretty. Let's see here. How fast can we get through all this saran wrap? Okay, great. Great, so good, very good. So, let's see here. This is set up for okay, well, let's see here. Again, 13 minutes I think, so I need a plug, right? What kind of plug do I need? I need a square plug. Alright, so, okay. So, I need this here. Is this plugged in? Of course not. Is this? Okay, so here we go. And then, it's the power button, I think. There we go. It should be something.
Culpa de la mano y por eso lo hice. Hace tanto tiempo que te amo en silencio.
Man, does that do that? Will this do this?
Sentimiento, ya no me aguantame, tú me disculpas si te sorprendo. Tú me quieres y por eso hoy me tiré el bar.
Well. Alright, well. Well. Uh-oh, it ate the tape, I think. Alright, so. Yeah, it ate the tape. Alright, well, there it is. It looks like that, works like that. Okay. Alright, so the radio works. It just needs some finesse. Have I gone over on that one machine? Anyway, there it is. Like that. Looks like this. Alright, so alright, I'm just gonna end this here. Hope you enjoyed. Had too much fun. Get this camera off of here. Clean this mess up. 15 minutes. Okay, so we've been live. Yeah, we've been live in here, and anyway, that's so I've had fun. All right, so got a bunch more stuff here to work on, and that's all I know. So just thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed. I gotta go put stuff away. Bye bye.